I'm gonna be showing you just a nice classic, easy half up style. So for this style, I like to go ahead and just start my sectioning about 2 inches back from the hairline. And we're just gonna start with a really nice inside out French braid. You can keep it pretty loose because at the end we're gonna be pulling it out and fanning it a little bit. So when I put the elastic band around the end of the braid, I always leave it a little bit looser so I have some wiggle room when I go ahead and pull the braid apart.